time with friends and family and just spend some quality time with them. But most importantly, guys, I want to let you guys know God loves you. He really do. And this is the time to remind you to just give thanks to the Lord for the gift of life. And know that you are powerful, you're amazing, you're unstoppable, and everything that you want, the desires that you want, is also waiting for you. And most importantly, guys, I want to invite you guys to start visualizing your 2025. What is that you want? And you tell me what you want and I'll show you how to get it. And I want to give you guys the biggest news that we just dropped today. Our company called LiveGood, that's right, has a mission. We got one vision, one mission, changing the world together. My friends, if you're looking to get healthier, stronger in 2025, you need to supplement. You need to take care of your body, you need to take care of your mind. And if you want to be coach, if you want a step-by-step guide on really how to elevate and quantum leap to the next level, you need mentors, you need coaches, you need a program. And I'm very happy to let you guys know that our team, CBC, is also launching our own free co-op, done for you program. With the combination of LiveGood paid program, we will help you grow faster and elevate you to the next level in 2025. So happy Friday. It's just something to think about because this year is just around the corner that we will say goodbye to. Take care.